Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign a task in ClickUp so you can manage your projects efficiently and keep your team perfectly aligned. Whether you're organizing a large project, handing off work to teammates, or you simply want a smoother workflow, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp browser and log into your workspace as you normally would. Type in your email, enter your password, and click the login button. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll land on your main home screen. This is where all your tasks, lists, and projects come together. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, navigate to the specific space, folder, or list where your task is located. Once you see your task list, click on the task you want to assign. This will open the Task Details panel, where you can view everything related to that task: descriptions, attachments, checklists, due dates, and more. Inside the task window, look for the Assignees section. You'll usually find it near the top of the task or on the right-hand side. Click on the Assignee button, and a drop-down menu will appear showing all members who have access to your workspace. From here, simply click the name of the person you want to assign the task to. If it's a team effort, you can select multiple assignees. ClickUp allows collaborative ownership, which is great for shared responsibilities. Once selected, ClickUp immediately updates the task so the assigned members get notified. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your teammates have access to the space where the task is located, double-check that the task description is clear, and set a due date before assigning it. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent unnecessary misunderstandings. Once you've assigned the task, review any final details such as priority level, attachments, or subtasks. After that, you should be able to hand off the task confidently, knowing your team member will receive all the information they need. It's also a good idea to leave a short comment inside the task if you want to clarify expectations. Taking this extra step ensures smooth communication and avoids confusion. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to assign tasks in ClickUp quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?